Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're sourcing high profit, low competition advanced industrial materials in 2026, this video will directly cut your procurement costs and boost your gross margin. Most overseas traders and factory buyers waste time on saturated low-margin bulk materials, completely missing 4 high-barrier, high-value material tracks unveiled at this year's Future Industries New Materials Expo, one of Asia's top UFI-certified advanced material expos. In this episode, I'll share exclusive on-site verified parameters, practical import substitution advantages, cutting-edge solid-state battery tech, and a hidden high-margin sourcing strategy used only by top-tier global B2B buyers. By watching till the end, you'll learn how to pick export-compliant, cost-effective advanced materials, avoid homogeneous low-profit products, and lock stable long-term sourcing contracts for sustainable profit. Stick around till the end. I'm dropping verified industrial parameters, real import substitution cost advantages, cutting-edge solid-state battery breakthroughs, and a hidden high-margin sourcing strategy that most B2B buyers completely overlook. Let's break down the biggest misconception among new overseas material buyers. Most traders and factory purchasers only chase finished mechanical parts and standard industrial accessories. They mistakenly label thermal interface materials, industrial diamond, and graphene composites as overly technical, high-investment niche products, and entirely overlook this fast-growing, high-margin industry vertical. High-performance thermal management, diamond, and graphene composite materials are core upstream supplies for precision machining, semiconductor packaging, new energy vehicles, aerospace, and intelligent equipment. Featuring high technical barriers, stable annual demand, and low substitution rates, these tracks have become the most reliable high-margin pillar for global industrial trading companies. The real low-competition profit opportunities lie in professional mid-tier manufacturers showcased at the FINE Expo. International top material brands enforce strict global pricing systems with huge brand premiums, squeezing cross-border profit margins to nearly zero. In contrast, professional domestic exhibitors at FINE Expo deliver fully export-grade materials that comply with ISO industrial standards, ASTM specifications, and EU safety regulations. Their products match the stability and performance of premium imported materials, but come with far more competitive landed costs. Additionally, they support flexible customized formulas, structural adjustments, low batch trial orders, and exclusive regional agency rights, the perfect long-term solution to sustain your gross profit in the advanced material track. All exhibited products and formulas comply with international export standards, EU REACH regulations, and high-precision manufacturing requirements, fully fitting global factory intelligent upgrading and lightweight iteration trends. This year's FINE Expo features fully upgraded industrial material solutions, gathering global top brands and mass production manufacturers across precision machinery, semiconductors, new energy, and aerospace industries. It serves as the top one-stop platform for B2B buyers to verify supplier qualification, check product compliance, and complete annual sourcing layout. What's showcased in this FINE Expo? Let's walk through the core star exhibits on display at FINE Expo, covering the full industrial advanced material chain. The lineup is led by high-performance metal thermal interface materials, the core star solution for high-end industrial thermal management. It is followed by industrial synthetic diamond series products, including ultra-fine nano-diamond polishing powder and high-hardness diamond coating materials, and industrial-grade graphene functional materials, such as high thermal conductivity graphene films and carbon-based lightweight composites. The exhibition also covers import substitution functional coatings and ultra-precision surface treatment materials for semiconductor and aerospace scenarios. This year's exclusive highlights include industrial low-cost diamond composite solutions and high-stability upgraded graphene thermal materials. These mass-producible innovative products fill global market gaps, with only a small number of professional overseas buyers securing early layout. 2026 FINE Expo Core Exhibitors and Key Technical Parameters B2B Reference. The FINE Expo gathers authoritative exhibitors, integrating global top advanced material brands, and domestic high-end customized manufacturers with mature industrial mass production capacity. The product matrix covers civil high-end manufacturing, new energy core component processing, semiconductor ultra-precision manufacturing, and aerospace lightweight processing, fully meeting differentiated high-standard sourcing demands for global factories and cross-border material traders. Here are the core B2B procurement technical parameters you must focus on. Starting with the flagship thermal interface material. High-performance metal thermal interface material. Upgraded with high-purity composite metal sintering and nano-flattening technology. This material delivers ultra-low thermal resistance and stable thermal conductivity of 420 to 450 watts per meter Kelvin. It features excellent compressibility and fitting performance to fill micro gaps between heat sources and heat sinks, with outstanding high temperature resistance, oxidation resistance, and aging stability. No thermal decay occurs after over 10,000 hours of continuous operation. Widely used in new energy vehicle battery thermal management, semiconductor chip packaging, 5 grams base station heat dissipation, and high-power industrial equipment cooling. It solves common pain points of poor fitting, easy aging, and unstable heat dissipation of traditional thermal pads, greatly improving the reliability of high-end thermal management systems. Industrial ultra-fine nano-diamond polishing powder, adopting high-purity synthetic diamond crystallization technology. Its particle size is uniformly controlled at 50 to 100 nanometers. It achieves ultra-smooth polishing for semiconductor wafers, optical lenses, and precision bearings, with 99.8% polishing uniformity and workpiece surface roughness reduced to raw 0.005 microns, fully meeting ultra-high precision industrial processing standards. High-hardness diamond composite coating material. This industrial wear-resistant and anti-corrosion coating reaches a surface hardness of 9,800 plus, with extreme wear resistance and high temperature oxidation resistance. It is widely applied to tool surface modification, mold anti-wear protection, and high-load mechanical parts, extending equipment and tool service life by 3 to 5 times. High-stability graphene thermal conductive film. This upgraded industrial graphene heat dissipation material boasts an in-plane thermal conductivity up to 1800 watts per meter Kelvin, featuring ultra-high heat conduction, low thermal resistance, and superior flexibility. It effectively solves heat dissipation bottlenecks of new energy battery modules, high-power electronic devices, and semiconductor chip packaging, significantly improving continuous operation stability of high-end equipment. Carbon-based high-strength lightweight composite material. Optimized graphene carbon composite structure achieves a tensile strength of 1,200 megapascals, enabling lightweight replacement of traditional metal materials. It reduces overall structural weight by 35% while maintaining ultra-high stability. Fully compliant with aerospace, new energy vehicle body, and high-end equipment lightweight manufacturing standards. 2026 FINE Expo Industrial Technology and Material Breakthroughs Procurement Focus. Let's break down the 5 core technological breakthroughs debuting at this 2026 FINE Expo. These iterative upgrades are redefining global advanced material industry standards and serve as key references for your annual material selection and supplier renewal. First, low-cost large-scale synthetic diamond industrialization technology, breaking the high-cost barrier of traditional high-pressure synthesis. The new continuous production process boosts single-batch output by 300% and stabilizes product consistency, realizing mass industrial supply of high-purity diamond materials and greatly cutting downstream manufacturing costs. Second, surface-modified high-dispersity graphene composite technology. It solves long-standing industry pain points of graphene agglomeration and unstable industrial application. Modified graphene can disperse uniformly in coatings, plastics, and metal substrates, effectively improving the wear resistance, thermal conductivity, and corrosion resistance of downstream finished products. Third, one-step integrated diamond coating forming technology. It eliminates traditional multi-layer spraying and repeated processing, realizing one-time high-adhesion coating forming. This simplifies production workflows, increases factory comprehensive yield by 10-15, and reduces labor and time costs. Fourth, ultra-wide temperature resistant functional material upgrading. The new composite materials operate stably in extreme environments ranging from 60 C low temperature to 650 C high temperature, solving material failure issues under harsh working conditions and meeting global demands for extreme environment intelligent equipment manufacturing. Fifth, localized replacement of imported high-performance materials. The most cost-effective industrial upgrade for global factories in 2026. A major ongoing industry shift is the rapid replacement of expensive imported functional materials with industrialized diamond and graphene composite materials showcased at FINE Expo. Traditional imported advanced materials come with exorbitant brand premiums, long delivery cycles, and strict MOC restrictions, leading to high procurement costs and unstable supply chains. In contrast, upgraded domestic diamond and graphene composites deliver equivalent performance to imported products, with customizable parameters and flexible batch supply. They cut comprehensive procurement costs by 35-50, shorten delivery cycles, and stabilize long-term supply chains, bringing direct profit growth for high-end manufacturers. This import substitution track offers sustainable cost advantages and stable performance iteration, making it the most profitable and practical upgrade for global precision manufacturing factories in 2026. FINE Expo core visitor groups and target buyers. The FINE Expo gathers highly professional, targeted audiences, all core demanders of high-end advanced functional materials. On-site visitors include precision machinery factory owners, semiconductor packaging procurement engineers, new energy equipment manufacturers, aerospace component processors, optical instrument factories, intelligent equipment R&D teams, and cross-border advanced material trading companies. Nearly all buyers attend the FINE Expo with clear demands for high-performance material replacement, import substitution upgrading, and annual long-term supply contracts, representing high-quality, high-value long-term cooperative clients. Global Advanced Material Industry Status and FINE Expo Procurement Suggestion. Let's break down the real status of the global advanced functional material industry and practical procurement suggestions for overseas buyers based on this year's FINE Expo. Mid to low-end conventional functional materials have achieved mature global industrialization, with fierce market competition and extremely thin profit margins. In high-end tracks dominated by industrial diamond and graphene composites, domestic mass production technology is rapidly maturing. Many upgraded composite formulas and industrial application technologies showcased at FINE Expo have surpassed traditional imported solutions, with more flexible customization and stable cost control. Only ultra-high-end semiconductor-grade ultra-fine diamond polishing materials and atomic-level thin-film graphene materials still retain minor technical barriers and rely on a small amount of imported supplies. For all other mainstream high-end manufacturing scenarios, domestic advanced materials displayed at FINE Expo have fully realized import substitution. FINE Expo manufacturers offer unparalleled advantages for global purchasers: customizable performance parameters, adjustable material formulas, flexible specifications, low trial order thresholds, and cost-effective pricing. They are ideal for batch procurement, long-term factory matching, and regional exclusive agency layout. 2026 FINE Expo Global Buyer Sourcing and Profit Strategy. Now, I'll share the core high-margin sourcing strategy you must master from this year's FINE Expo. The biggest profit opportunities do not lie in saturated conventional bulk materials, but in niche customized diamond composites and industrial-grade graphene functional solutions that most large purchasing teams overlook at the FINE Expo. Global top-tier material brands come with exorbitant brand premiums, rigid global pricing, and high MOCs, leaving almost no profit space for cross-border traders. Their long customization cycles also fail to support small batch trial production for mid-sized overseas factories. In sharp contrast, professional mid-sized domestic advanced material manufacturers at the FINE Expo are the real high-value profit treasure trove. All core products strictly comply with ISO and ASTM international standards, with performance stability, batch consistency, and export compliance fully matching premium imported materials. Without excessive brand premiums, they deliver identical industrial-grade performance at far lower costs. Moreover, they support targeted formula tuning based on customer working conditions, flexible specification switching, small batch trial orders, and exclusive regional agency terms. These flexible service advantages are the core source of your stable, sizable gross margins in the advanced material track. Among all FINE Expo exhibits, customized diamond polishing materials and high thermal conductivity graphene composites are the most profitable tracks in 2026. As core upstream industrial materials with high technical barriers and limited global competition, they can deliver continuous high-margin cross-border revenue once you lock stable supply channels. For small and mid-sized overseas advanced material buyers, the 2026 FINE Expo is the optimal venue for annual high-end material supply layout. Diamond and graphene-based advanced materials are rigid core upstream supplies for high-end precision manufacturing, with stable and growing global market demand. One on-site sourcing trip to FINE Expo enables you to complete supplier qualification verification, core parameter comparison, export compliance inspection, and annual framework order confirmation. You can fully verify their international standard quality and import substitution cost advantages. Locking reliable suppliers here stabilizes your full-year high-margin revenue and builds a long-term risk-resistant high-end supply chain. If you're sourcing high-barrier, high-margin advanced industrial materials and stable cross-border supply opportunities, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll keep sharing on-site FINE Expo insights, practical B2B procurement strategies, and industry profit analysis, helping you avoid low-margin homogeneous sourcing pitfalls and seize the 2026 advanced manufacturing upgrading dividends.
同样重量，那么我们的汽车就会开得更远。当然了，这个能量密度越高，我们的电池安全隐患就会越大。那么，即便是我们的全固态锂电池，它也同样有安全的隐患。那么，这是一个非常高能量的这个一个能量体系。所以呢，如果即便其中的很多物质啊，它如果在加热的情况下，甚至或者在互相接触。
FINE Expo bonus highlight: next generation all solid-state battery core material technology. Now, before we wrap up, there's one massive bonus segment I have to share with you. Beyond industrial processing and thermal management materials, the future of new energy storage technology is also on full display at the FINE Expo, represented by the latest upgraded all-solid-state battery core materials, the most disruptive new energy solution redefining global power battery manufacturing standards. All-solid-state batteries mark a transformative upgrade for power and energy storage systems, completely abandoning traditional liquid electrolytes. They deliver far higher energy density and intrinsic safety, solving the core safety hazards and endurance bottlenecks of conventional lithium batteries. The industry's commercialization core lies in balancing three key indicators: ultra-high energy density, full scenario safety stability, and controllable mass production costs. Leveraging material genome engineering and AI iterative optimization, top R&D teams have achieved comprehensive breakthroughs in solid electrolyte materials, interfacial structure design, and intelligent manufacturing, greatly accelerating large-scale commercialization. The FINE Expo displayed all-solid-state lithium battery prototype reaches an energy density of 350 watt-hour per kilogram, over 50% higher than mainstream commercial liquid lithium batteries. Paired with lithium metal anodes, its peak energy density hits 500 watt-hour per kilogram, supporting over 1,000 kilometers of EV endurance with top-tier global performance. Adopting high-throughput computing, automated fabrication, and AI closed-loop optimization, the new material R&D system realizes efficient, intelligent performance iteration. Core material innovation drives battery upgrading. The newly developed oxide solid electrolyte sets a global ionic conductivity record of 8.85 ms or cm, with excellent air stability for mass production, precise grain boundary modification, and nanocrystal structure construction effectively suppress internal current leakage, enhance structural toughness and insulation performance, and solve the long-standing pain points of fragile structure and poor stability of traditional solid electrolytes. To solve the solid-solid interfacial contact bottleneck limiting battery life, the innovative 12-micron ultra-thin inorganic organic composite ceramic separator perfectly balances high conductivity and structural flexibility. It integrates the strength and conductivity of inorganic ceramics with organic material flexibility, eliminating cracking failure risks and ensuring efficient lithium-ion transmission. This technology is also compatible with sodium-ion battery systems, providing low-cost, safe energy storage solutions. The FINE Expo also showcases leading intelligent battery material R&D technology. The self-developed high-throughput characterization system supports synchronous preparation and testing of over 200 samples, boosting R&D efficiency dozens of times. The AI iteration platform develops high-performance cathode materials with a specific capacity of 282 mAh per gram via only 4 rounds of optimization, reaching world-class levels. Industrial verification proves the upgraded all-solid-state battery features extreme low-temperature adaptability, retaining nearly 60% capacity at 40 C, far outperforming traditional lithium batteries in extreme working conditions. Interfacial impedance optimization is the final core barrier to large-scale commercialization. The new silver titanium nanotube composite modification technology reduces interfacial impedance from the industrial baseline of 25 cm to only 0.25 cm, far exceeding international standards. Matched with nanoporous copper framework electrodes, it completely inhibits lithium dendrite growth, extending lithium battery cycle life from 100 cycles to over 700 cycles. Optimized all-solid-state sodium batteries stably operate 5,100 cycles, under 10 C ultra-fast charging with 90.2% capacity retention, delivering extremely high commercial value. Overall, the 2026 FINE Expo covers a complete advanced material industrial chain: thermal interface materials, diamond precision materials, graphene composites, and next-generation solid-state battery core materials. These technologies complement each other, empowering high-end equipment precision manufacturing, lightweight upgrading, and new energy storage industry iteration. Despite minor technical and cost barriers in ultra-high-end segments, The import substitution and performance upgrading trends are irreversible, becoming the core high barrier, high profit track for global manufacturing and cross-border trade in the next 3 years.
那么0.25什么概念？远远低于我们很多项目总监所提出来的5个欧姆平方厘米的这个指标。那么所以呢，银这个东西啊是个非常好的东西。我们把银和碳进行复合，让少量的银能够起到它的作用，同时呢，借助这个碳纳米管能够形成一个连续的这个通道。当然，我们还在这个极流体上，这个铜啊是我们锂离子电池的一个负极的极流体。我们把这个极流体进行这个设计，让它这个三维化或者多孔化。那么这个呢，就是我们通过化学的方法所制备的这个纳米的铜线所组成，只有100次左右的寿命，这个金属锂就会短路了。所以呢，大家看看，它没有像这种无序生长的这个情况，这个这个锂啊都被陷在这个铜的多孔的这个极流体里面，所以这个电池就能够非常稳定的工作。我们把这个概念也用在我们这个全固态钠电池上。那么这个呢，就是我们用钠和碳组成的一个多孔的3维的电极，我们可以实现利用化学的方法制备成的这个多孔的这个石墨碳，它本身就是一个什么？这个钠的这个负极材料。
I've shared all the core FINE Expo highlights, verified industry-leading material parameters, practical import substitution strategies, and next-gen solid-state battery tech trends in this video. If you want the full sorted exhibitor list, standardized technical data sheets, and professional supplier screening checklists for advanced materials, drop a comment below or check the link in my bio. I'll send you the exclusive 2026 sourcing package for free to upgrade your supply chain layout. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. I don't do generic industry talks. Every video is pure on-site expo insights, verified material data, and actionable B2B profit strategies tailored for global advanced material buyers. Stay tuned, and I'll keep helping you avoid low-margin sourcing traps and seize the biggest advanced manufacturing profit dividends in 2026 and beyond. See you in the next episode.